In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Protonmail Bridge. Protonmail Bridge lets Protonmail work smoothly with desktop email apps by handling encryption behind the scenes. We'll find the official download for Windows and install it safely step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to google.com. If your homepage opens to something else, click into the address bar, type google.com and press enter. Starting from Google makes it quick to find the official page without memorizing URLs. In the Google search box, type Proton Bridge and hit enter. You should see results from Proton, the company behind Protonmail. To stay safe, ignore third-party download sites and sponsored links that don't come from Proton directly. From the results, click the link titled Encrypt Your Desktop Email App with Protonmail Bridge. That wording belongs to Proton's official bridge page. Once it loads, take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate site by checking for a secure connection and the proton.me domain in the address bar. This small check helps you avoid tampered installers. On the bridge page, find and select Download for Windows. The site may automatically detect your operating system and serve the correct installer. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a familiar folder like Downloads and let the download complete before moving on. Depending on your connection, this can take a moment, so it's fine to wait until the file shows as finished. When the download finishes, open the installer from your browser or your Downloads folder. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Follow the prompts, accept the license, keep the default install location unless you need a different one, and continue. The setup will copy files and complete the installation. Click Close or Finish, and you're done. The app is now installed and available from the Start menu. Before we wrap up, a few quick tips. Keep your browser and Windows updated to avoid installation issues. If your antivirus flags the file, verify the source is Proton, and temporarily pause real-time scanning only if you're comfortable, then re-enable it right after. And if you're using Mac OS or Linux, the same official page offers versions for those platforms. Just choose the one that matches your device. With that, you've safely downloaded and installed Protonmail Bridge on Windows. In a future session, you can open the app and connect it to your email client, but for now, you're all set with the installation. Thanks for watching.